Hey guys, how are you? I just wanted to make a little video to show you of a neat little lighter that I picked up on Amazon. And so I decided to show it to you. You know, a lot of us have, candles like this at home and, all kinds of other things that we need lighters for. Most of the time, we have something like this, and these lighters are not refillable. They're like, once they run out, you gotta throw them out. I feel it's a waste of money, really, if you gotta throw these things out. And then a lot of times when you go to use them, like, they don't light up, you know what I mean? This one's working, of course, because it's brand new, but I wanted a better alternative. I wanted to stop buying these, and they are pricey. And I went on Amazon and I found this neat lighter, which I want to show you. And it comes packaged really nicely. Right here we have the USB arc flexible lighter. Okay, basically what this is a replacement of this without needing the butane or without having to throw it out. This thing is pretty cool. In the back it's got some description and some safety rules, and it's got a small diagram of the lighter itself. But let's open this baby right up. Slides out really nicely, very fancy packaging, makes a great gift for just about anyone because everybody uses lighters like this at home. Then inside the box, let's put the lighter aside. It has a nice felt little, interior where the lighter sits in. It's got a nice cutout, the shape of the lighter. Then if you kind of pull out that interior, put that aside, inside the box it comes with an instruction manual and a short micro USB charging cable so that you can recharge it and continue to use it without ever having to worry about needing to replace it. So with that said, let's check out the lighter, and here it is right here. Once we take that sleeve off, you can see it is a very, very nice looking lighter. And it's got a flexible neck, so you can use it pretty much anywhere. And there is the tip that actually creates the current that is used to light the candle. On the side here, you've got the mini USB port, micro USB port, and a little power switch. Outside of that, it's got the little hook so that you can hang it very easily anywhere. And that's pretty much it. That's what makes up the lighter. It is really, really nice. Makes a really cool gift, I think. It's safe. It's safe around children because you can press this button and nothing happens unless you go ahead first and power it by hitting the power switch up. And once you hit the power switch up, you could go ahead and push this button. You can see now, as you can see, it lights up. When you push it, that means that there is power. And that happened, of course, after I hit this switch here. And check out that tip. Look at this. That is neat. That is really neat. And this thing works great. Let me show you. I'm gonna go ahead and light this candle right now. So I'm gonna flex it. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna put it right over the wick. And I'm gonna hit that button. And look at that, how fast that candle lights right up. That is really awesome. Okay. The other thing that's great about this is, okay, in this case, this is a brand new candle, the wax and the wick is right up at the top. But sometimes as the candle starts to wear down and it gets further and further down to the bottom, you kind of have to go reach in there. And even with this lighter, reaching in there, when you start reaching deep down into the inside, and then some of these candles are actually taller, and you turn on that flame, now the flame is kind of coming back up at you. Whereas with this, it's just a current that runs across the tip, and it's safe and really neat. Pretty awesome. Now I noticed on here after I lit this candle that it's got a little bit of a stain here. If you can see, let me bring this up close to the camera, from lighting the candle. But I'm gonna guess that this comes right off when you wipe it. Let's see. You've got a napkin here. Oh yeah, look at that. Just a nice wipe with a regular dry napkin, and it's nice and clean again. So I'll tell you, man, this thing is pretty awesome. It was about $11, $12 on Amazon. And if you have the Amazon Prime, you get free shipping on it, which is pretty awesome. But let me tell you something, this makes a really nice gift, especially now that the holidays are coming around. So if you ever thought about, getting one of these electric lighters, man, let me tell you, they're great. Definitely worth having. And not just for lighting candles. You can light pretty much anything with it. Anything, you could light the fire pits, just about anything at all that requires a lighter. Let's give this thing one more shot. Here you go. Look at that. Look at that. Look how quick that thing lights. This is awesome, guys. I'm going to put a link to the Amazon website where you can pick one of these up. And it's worth every dollar. Thanks for watching, guys.